Hi, I'm Eric Woodridge, Engineering Professor and Director of the Additive Manufacturing Center for KCTCS at Somerset Community College. And behind me is our concrete printer system. In partnership with Pantheon, Cobot, and a host of other folks, we've actually just completed our first production run. And as you can see behind me, it's not necessarily that impressive, but it is the starting point. You know, the key thing with this whole system is the concrete mix and getting everything to work. And there's software issues, there's temperature, humidity, all those things factor in. Even the cleanup can be like sort of a process unto itself. But this is our first run, and our goal was just to get it flowing, get things moving, and get some shapes printed so that we could turn around and actually do some testing on those. So we've got our cylinders. We'll be actually doing compression testing on those to see what the compression is at the ratios of water mixtures that we use. And the other thing that we have the possibility of doing is doing tensile testing. You see that part to behind me there that's like long. We'll be able to take sections of those pieces and actually turn around and do break tests almost like they're a bridge and see how it breaks there. So overall, a very successful start to the process. It's going to be quite a few more steps. The next maneuver is to actually set it for a longer print of a larger object and actually do it over a period of time. Also deal with some of the software glitches that we're seeing too. So we're getting into the process. It's going well, learning a lot of things, definitely learning what not to do for sure, but it's a good process. So stay tuned. Thanks for checking out what we're doing, and look forward to sharing some cool stuff with you very soon. We'll see you.